Today we're going to be adding two-digit numbers using our base 10 blocks. So, to get started, what we have to do is I like to set up our paper so that we have our three different sections. It makes it a little easier to distinguish between the different place values. So we have our hundreds, we have our tens, and we have our ones. Okay, so the two numbers we're going to be adding together are 46 and 34. So to represent 46, I'm going to have 4 of these rods, and that's just 10 unit cubes put together. So I'm going to put my 4 down, and then I have my 6 just unit cubes, and these just represent 1. So I'm going to have 6 of these. 5, 6. Okay. So then what I do from here, when we're using base 10 blocks to add together two numbers, we simply just put the next number down with it. So if I'm adding 46 plus 34, I would need 3 rods. So I have 1. I'm going to put them a little separated just so we can see. So I have my 30, and then I have my 4 unit cubes. 2, 3, 4. And we'll put those ones down there. Okay. So right now, what I have is I have my 46 up top and my 34 kind of down below. In order to add these together, we need to regroup a bit. So we have, if we look into our ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 unit cubes. When we have 10 or more ones, those 10 regroup into one rod. So I'm actually just going to even show us here how these 10, if you line them up, equal one whole rod. So if you line them up nice and neat, we can see that the rod is equal to the 10 unit cubes. So I'm going to get rid of these unit cubes, and I'm going to put this 10 over here on this side. So what I have left now is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rods, which represents 80. And I have nothing left in my ones, so we now know that 34 plus 46 is 80. I'm going to show us really quick how you would write this out, and just to show you more how we can regroup symbolically. So let's see. If I have my 46, my 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I just use dots for the 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have my 34. I can do 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if I want to regroup, because I have more than 10 here, I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I like to circle them and just draw an arrow right over to where they'll be going, and then make that a rod. So now we can see how these have now completely moved over and regrouped into another rod. And now to get our final answer, we just count anything that isn't circled. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rods in the tens place equals 80. Okay. You can see that. Okay, so using the base 10 blocks to regroup, 34 plus 46 equals our 80. Thank you.